Now the question says that matching the metal ions given in column 1 with the spin magnetic moments of the ions given in column 2 and assign the correct code accordingly. In column 2 we have CO3 plus, Cr3 plus, Fe3 plus and Ni2 plus. So we calculate magnetic moment. So the key concept involved in this is that the spin magnetic moment is nothing but mu under root n into n plus 2, where mu is the magnetic moment. Unit of mu is Bohr magneton or Bm, and n is number of unpaired electrons in the d orbital. So the electric configuration of CO3 plus is Ar3d6. So n is 4, which is 4 unpaired electrons in d orbital. So mu is accordingly root 24. Electronic configuration of Cr3 plus is Ar3d3. N equal to 3, we get mu as root 15 Bohr magneton. Electron configuration of 3 plus is Ar3d5. Here n is 5, so mu is root 35 Bohr magneton, and electronic configuration of Ni2 plus is 3d8, which is n equals to 2, so we get mu root 8 Bohr magneton accordingly.